Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove songs from Spotify playlist. So let's get started. This is a quick and straightforward process to remove songs from Spotify playlist. First open Spotify app on your mobile device. Now tap on your library option from the bottom bar. Here you will find all your playlists. Now open the playlist from which you want to remove a song. Look for the song that you wish to remove. Let's say I want to remove this song. Simply tap on three dots on the right side of the song. And from the available options, tap on Remove from this playlist option. This will remove the song from the playlist, and at the bottom you will get a message. So that was a short tutorial on how to remove songs from Spotify playlist. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.